Hey guys, so a quick video for you on the Woodridge Pro and what are the reasons why to buy and why not to buy, and also reasons why you shouldn't get it. So first thing first, I want to say like the Traeger is a good company and the super smoke mode is like very good, a great feature for it. So super smoke, mamma mia, right? Massive cooking space, 970 square in cooking area is great too. The Traeger app is also insane. I just want to say it's like the product is great. Assembly is also good and easy clean system, digital pellet sensor good. But for the builder quality is noticeable lighter. So this is something that you have to be aware of. And comparing to, let's say, ironwood, you don't have built-in lights. So that's very important for the night cook. So if you're someone who want to cook in the night, something to be aware of. Also, you don't have any insulation gasket on the lid. So the insulation gasket lacks. So that's something to be aware of. And pellet consumption is also higher. And the customer service, this is something that I don't know if this is right, but I read that the Traeger is like they put all the customer service outside of the US. So I don't know if that's the true or no. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching, like really quick video for you, what you have to be aware of. And something that I also read is that the super smoke mode can get weird. So when it's super smoke, the temperature soars. You can set it to like 225 and ambient temp has risen to 280. So if you're looking for the precision, you have to count with this too. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye.